Hello traders and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, July 24th, 2018. How you doing? Hope your trading session is going well today. We're going to show you how VantagePoint has been forecasting market movements and show you what you need to pay attention to. Today I am looking at Halliburton, who reported earnings before the trading session on the 23rd, and what we saw is that the VantagePoint platform indicated a weakness actually before the earnings report. That earnings report did in fact send Halliburton down, and we're seeing a continuation of that today. I'm going to play on that continued bearish momentum. You can see that we have the crossover. You can see that we have the neural index in the red, and you can also see that the predicted high and low range is lower than yesterday's actual high and low. What we also notice is that we are going to look at a put spread going out to next week, August 3rd expiration, specifically looking at the 39.5, 40.5 put spread. That is trading right around 30 cents right now. If you pay 30 cents for that, you're going to get a nice healthy reward to risk of 2.33 to 1. So continue on the bearish momentum off of earnings and extending of that momentum today, playing that only for the next week and a half. That is it for today. Hope you have a great rest of the week. I will talk to you later on. Thanks a lot.